Wala pa. Wala pa, di ba? Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Can you sing with me? Can you sing? Ay, 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 ay. Really? Are you sure? Wait! We gotta wait for the music! All you're gonna do is just wait for the cue and sing. Ay, 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 ay. Can you do that for me?
Yes po.
What's your name?
Isa po.
Isa po. Are you the sister of Grace po?
Grace.
Isa po? Are you the daughter of Fernando po? Okay, are you ready to sing?
Yes. Ay, 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 ay.
Wala ka sa tono. Sana sinabi mo sa akin hindi mo kaya, parang hindi ka pumili. Napakasimple awitin. Ay, 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 hindi mo nakuha ng tono. Sinasabi ko sa iyo, ibabalik kita sa Maynila. So, who wants to sing with me? Nasaan na yung tapak kung wala ng tunog? Wala. Do you want to sing with me?
Sure.
What's your name?
Bernadette.
Bernadette? What's your last name?
Augustin.
Agustin lang sa Pilipinas. Ano napaka-arte mo, Agustin? Agustin. Agustin yan, gago. Napaka-arte mo, kala mo talaga. Napaka-ipon-ipon ka lang. Napaka-Agustin ka sa akin. Agustin. Where in the Philippines are you from?
Bulacan.
O tamo, Bulacan, binabaha dyan. Oo. Ang lala nang nakawan sa flood control dyan sa Bulacan. But don't you worry, we will fight for change. Okay. Can you sing what?
I'm from Washington.
Washington. Kumakaarte ng Washington. Ano no?
It's 3 hours just to...
Ano no?
Nag-drive kami for 3 hours just to get here.
Sinusumbatan mo kami? 3 hours lang yun? 11 hours binahin namin makapunta lang ng Canada. Ang sikip-sikip pa ng aeroplano, tapos ang hila ng aircon, sinumbatan ka ba namin? Ang layo ng binahin namin, tapos pinakain sa amin, lumpiang Shanghai, hindi nga kami nag-replano. Pinakain kami lumpiang Shanghai, kala mo naman, hindi kami sa Pilipinas galing. Okay. Can you sing the line? Ay, 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 ay. Can you do that? Can you do that for me? Okay. May sindikato ba kayo? Well, okay. Bakit iniiwasan mo yung magandang hugis? Kasi masama ka bang karanasan sa ganito? Just sing. Ay, 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 ay. Put down your phone. You gotta concentrate and focus. Put down your phone. Live in the moment. Put down the phone.
Ay, 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 ay.
Yun, nasa tol. Ang layo dito. Ang layo, ang layo. Sa mga babae mo. Congratulations. You did a great job. I love it. Ate, kinakamay mo ba ako? Kinuha mo yung bracelet ko. Nagkulang na yung sing-sing ko, oh. Ate! Kumusta kayo? Aray ko, aray ko. Aray ko, okay nilam. Okay. Oh my God. I can see my daughter here. Oh my God. I can smell your blood. What is your name?
Sophie.
Toby.
Known as Trixie.
Oh. Trixie. Toby Christopher. Okay, so Delphi, Trixie, let me call you Trixie. How old are you?
26 toner.
26 stoner. Nagsashabu. 26 stoner daw siya. 26 years na siya nagsashabu na yan. 26 stoner. Stunner kasi yun. Okay. Alright. Can you sing with me?
For sure.
Okay. All we gotta do is just sing. Okay, are you ready?
Ang dami nun, pero go.
Okay.
Ay, 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 ay.
Ay, ang galing! Gusto ko yung tunog.
Ay.
Ayan, sabi na kabayo din. Anak ko nga to. Adali, video tayo na lang. Umismahan ka. Oh, di ba? Oh, bago mo i-post yan, i-filter mo ha. Para makinis ka, para makabulabul ka naman sa akin. Ano na? Ito naman, Diyos ko, hindi mo naman sinabi, Jukes, nandito ka pala, buo pala ang showtime. Sana si Teddy, sinama mo na rin. O, picture, dali. Alright, thank you. Dito tayo. Ay, gusto ko marinig naman yung lalaki. Okay. Hey. Stop it. What's your name?
Gary.
Gary? Oh, Gary. Pero mas kamukha mo si Angeli. Yung asawa. Gary what?
Dan.
Gary Tan. Chinese?
Filipino Chinese. Ay,
Filipino-Chinese. Ah, okay. Can you sing for me?
hindi ako marunong.
Okay. Hindi rin kami marunong makinig eh. Just sing. Ay, 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 ay. Okay? As simple as that. Ay, 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 ay. Okay? Okay. Eh, mamaya na.
Ay, 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 ay.
Parang may sakit din mama. May karamdaman ka bang matagal na hindi na nagpapagamot? Kuya, mag-iingat ka ha. Oh my God, you're so pretty. What's your name?
Camille.
Camille. How old are you?
I'm 17.
17? Oh my God, you know what? When I was your age, I was 72. You're so fresh. Oh my God. What?
You're so ganda.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so what do you do here? Do you study here? You live here in Vancouver?
I live here in Vancouver.
You're so pretty. Do you have a boyfriend?
No,
Why not?
I don't want one.
You don't want a boyfriend? What?
I'm too young.
Oh, sorry, I'm too old. I'm sorry. Pinuri na kita, pinasaktan ko pa yung damdamin ko na mas matanda ako sa'yo. Okay, do you want to be an actress?
Yeah.
Oh my God. ABS-CBN is looking for an actress. A new breed of actress that will play the role of a manananggaling shape rather than a Okay, but first, you gotta sing for me. Just sing. Do you know Britney?
Yeah, I do.
Britney Houston? You know Britney Houston? Yeah, the singer who sang the songs from Bodyguard. You can just say, ay, 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 ay. Are you ready?
Right now?
You wait for the cue. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ay! Yun lang ang ginawa niya, proud na proud ka na sa kaibigan mo. Achievement. That's your sister? Your sisters? How come you're not as pretty as her? No, just joking. You're not as pretty as her, you know why? Because you're prettier than her. Yeah! One of her friends, ah. Oh, it's your cousin, your aunt. Oh, ikaw pinakabata, mother, di ba? Si Andy, ang pare ng blush, kala mo performer din. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa other side. I love you too. Check mo na baka nilalanggan na to. Buhay ba to? Nakatulog siya sa ganitong itong venue? Saan ba itong event? Sino ba kasama nito? Lasing ba't? O baka... Hi! Welcome to the outside world! Hi! Masarap patulog dito, aircon. Wala aircon sa inyo? Nakatulog siya sa concert? Nakakaloka ka? Welcome back to the afterlife. Pasensya ka na, nakakaabala kami. Matulog ka lang, ang ingay nyo kasi nagising tuloy. Ano pangalan mo?
Maki.
Maki. Nakadrugs ka ba? Parang dito ka inabutan ng crashing. Okay ka lang? Okay. Are you sure you're okay?
Chips.
2 ships? Dalawang barko? 2 ships? Night shift. What do you do?
Nurse.
You're a nurse. Pero sa palagay mo, pasyente ka ngayon. Oo. Well, I feel you because my mom used to be a caregiver. You know, she barely gets to sleep because she was taking care of a lot of people. And I know that you took care of your patients earlier and you're tired. But even you're tired, despite the fact that you're tired, you still showed up here to support us. Thank you very much. We appreciate your presence. Yeah, I know that you're very tired and you're trying your very best to enjoy, but you're sleepy. It's okay. I empathize with you. Yeah. You want to rest now? Not yet. Not right now. Okay. God bless you. May you survive all the challenges in life. May God bless you in your job and your patience. Ilang oras pa trabaho mo?
16.
16? In fairness, ha? Pero fresh ka pa din. Nurse ka din ate?
Yes.
Ilang oras sa trabaho?
8.
Mas konti pero mas fresh siya sa'yo. Ano nangyari? 8 ka lang, haggard ka. Ito 16 fresh. Ano? Galing ka Victoria. Victoria Court, nag-check-in ka pa? Nag-hotel ka bago pumunta rito? Victoria, malayo yun.
1 ferry.
1 ferry. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I love you. Ikaw, I want you to sing for me. Okay, just sing. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, what's your name?
Joy.
Joy, para. Joy. Sang pata. Pwede sa pepeng, sang katupa. Taray ng braces mo. Fully paid na yan. Ang ganda kasi ng ngiti niya. Pag fully paid, maganda na yung ngiti. Pag hindi pa fully paid, nahihiya ng konti. Pero maganda na yung sinabi niya. Okay, just sing. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Nagyaya ka ba? Ay, 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 ay. Ano? Okay. Can you do that? Can you sing? Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Ah, ang ganda din ito. Ang sexy. Mukhang pumapatol sa politiko. Charot. Thank you very much. Okay. I need to go back to the stage.